Hi family, I want to show you guys a tour of my greenhouse. The greenhouse is probably, I guess, a year old, and we just added it onto the back of this storage area right here. We use this polycarbonate, I think it's called clear polycarbonate for the sides. Reclaimed windows and doors. And I don't even know the dimensions. I can't remember. But it's a nice space. Right now I have a few items in there. The windows, I think we got off Craigslist for almost dirt cheap. And as you come in, I just added some black fabric. We did put wheat fabric down before, but it was just that fabric felt type kind, and then we put rocks over it. But the felt weed barrier was not good because weeds were still coming through, even through the rocks. So I came in and added a different type of fabric down. And as you walk in, as you can see, there's a door to our little storage area there. I have a little shelf here that I bought from, I don't know, Aldi's. So I have some little planting stuff there. I have a table here that I do my planting there. And again, windows, Craigslist. Some of them are in bad shape. Some of them need to be repurposed. Right now, what I have in here are a papaya that I purchased offline, another papaya someone gave me. This plant right here is black turmeric. And then I have some elderberry plants, a cherry plant, Suriname cherry. We had one of those growing up. My grandparents had one in their yard. And I have some cassava. And there's that little pepper bush that started blooming that's in the back. To pull those little berries off and chop down the twigs. And I was also growing a moringa. This was the only one that seemed to have survived. As you can see, it's looking okay. And then those blueberries that I bought, we'll see if they come back. But that's that. Like I said, I usually use this to pot stuff on. I have 2 stainless steel tables in here. Mostly I keep my soil on here, and sometimes I may use it as a planter. I have one in this corner. I have tubs that I got for dirt cheap from Aldi's. And basically, I have compost in there, potting soil. Some of them are empty. And I just store some of my potting soil and compost in there. More pots. That's an empty bucket I'm all for reusing. So I have empty pots. I have 3 more of those tubs. I have another table over here. Again, it's stacked with different things. Pots, little soil, azomite here, coconut coir. I have shelving. Shelves bought from Aldi's. Can't get enough of those. Empty pots. I forgot the name of that cactus plant. And then down here, this is a shelf that was specially built for the greenhouse. And basically what it is old doors. Like the one there, glass door, to make another little shelving. More storage on the bottom with flower pots and things of that nature. Have a mirror there. Quite nice. Another shelf. Just another seating area and some storage stuff I have in here. But as you can see, it's a nice little size. And once I get it set up and really organized the way that I want it, it'll be perfect. The top is the polycarbonate, and I have this shade cloth that I purchased a while back. Have so much gardening stuff just tucked away. I think I got this from Bootstrap Farmer. And I put a few grommets in there because it came without the grommets, but I added the grommets and the hook because in the summertime it was so hot here, and I wanted to kind of shade that when I'm in here because I like being out here, but sometimes it just gets so hot. I have the little spinners that I bought from, I don't know, crafts thing or whatever. So as you can see, plenty of space. Plenty of space. I do have lighting in here that was ran through here, but I also have that. But I want to let you guys know how warm it is in here. I bought this little thing off of Amazon, and I think it is 51 degrees outside. And as I don't know if you guys can see that, it says that it's 84, almost 85 degrees Fahrenheit in here with a 31% humidity, which is good, almost too good. But I also want to show you guys something else. With this greenhouse, the top portions up there was open. And last weekend, I believe it was, I took some strap lumber or pieces of wood as a workaround to block some of that draft that comes in through there. And my gosh, it's working. It really is working. So I just took little pieces, measured on the outside, and add little pieces to kind of keep that temperature raised. And so far it's working well, probably better than I expected because I still have a few gaps. And also we had birds going in there. And on the side as well. Still have a few gaps, but I think that's fine just to let a little airflow because, yeah, right now, again, it's about 50, anywhere between 50 and 55 degrees outside in a little breeze. And my little thermometer, humidifier detector is showing 84 degrees. That's the tour of my greenhouse. I hope to get it filled with beautiful plants and edibles. Again, don't have to have a lot. Pretty much everything was recycled except the polycarbonate, cheap totes, recycled table, shelf from Aldi's, totes from Aldi's, and these tables I got from Weber, I think that's it, Weber, for about, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks. But they're not that strong. They're a little shabby, but they work. They serve the purpose. Thanks, fam.